Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel errors. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel errors, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will go to click for stop here and you will click OK. Then in this page here, you can enter to storage, and after that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.